Hi, my name is Rishit and I'm 11 years old. I recently joined the Python Tinker Coders program and I'm Indian and I live in Singapore. I just finished the beginner's level and I've moved on to the intermediate level. Let's look at the code. So this is my code. This is my code and the aim of the game is to guess the correct vowel. And you can play as many times as you want, and when you want to get out of the game you can enter quit. Now let's see the output. Okay, for my first attempt I will enter I. It's a loss. Okay, attempt 2 I can enter maybe U, loss. A, win. Okay guys, now I think I've had enough of the game, so I want to quit it. So I'll just write quit, and then it will say thanks for playing. You played 5 times, you won 1 time, and you lost 3 times, and then it also counts this one. Okay, so yeah, that is my game, and this last one counts your number of wins and losses. And yeah, thanks for watching.